Have you ever frozen when someone spoke to you in English?
You knew exactly what to say, but the words just would not come.
And then nothing. Your mouth just stopped.
Yeah, you smiled. You nodded. Like everything was fine.
That is not a language problem.
That is a wiring problem. And today, we are going to fix it.
I am Camila.
And I am John. Welcome to the FluentJoy Podcast. Here is what is happening inside your head right now.
Every time someone speaks to you in English, your brain translates.
You hear English, you translate it, you think in your language.
Then you translate your answer back into English.
4 steps, every single sentence, while the other person is waiting.
And by step 3, the conversation has already moved on.
Fluent speakers skip all 4 steps. They just respond directly.
That is the goal. No detour. And here is how to build it.
Technique 1, and I think you are going to like this one.
This one does not feel like studying at all.
Take a show you already love, something you watch anyway.
Switch the audio to English. Add subtitles if you need them.
There is zero shame in that. Just watch. Do not study.
Just enjoy the show like a normal person.
Here is what happens without you even trying.
You hear a phrase once, then again in episode 3.
Then again in episode 7.
And one day it just comes out of your mouth, automatically.
Like a song that gets stuck in your head.
You did not try to memorize it, you just heard it enough times.
Your brain keeps what it hears often. It drops what it hears once.
One show, one podcast, one YouTube channel you actually enjoy.
Watch it in English, binge it, completely guilt-free.
Your brain will quietly do the work while you enjoy yourself. Technique 2. This one sounds almost too simple.
Which is usually a sign that it works.
Look around you right now. Everything you see, give it an English name.
Out loud, with your actual voice, not in your head.
Open your fridge. Say the words out loud.
Milk, eggs, butter, cheese.
Look at your desk. Laptop, charger, notebook, pen.
Every time you name something directly in English, you cut out the translation step.
Put paper notes on 5 things in your home today.
Write the English word. Every time you walk past, say it out loud.
Your eyes see it. Your mouth says it. Your brain connects them.
It sticks so much faster that way, trust me.
That connection is called automatic recall.
That is how fluent people think. You see it. The word is just there.
5 notes, 5 words. Start today.
Technique 3. A little different, but very powerful.
Take any short clip, 10 to 30 seconds.
A YouTube video, a podcast moment, a short scene from a show.
Listen to it 5 times, same clip, 5 times in a row.
First time, just listen. Let the sounds come in.
Second time, notice the rhythm. Where does it go up? Where does it slow down?
Third time, try to catch the phrases.
Fourth time, start moving your lips with the speaker.
Fifth time, say it out loud with them. Same speed, same energy.
You are training your ears and your mouth at the same time.
Not just learning words, learning how English sounds from the inside.
10 minutes of this every day, just 10 minutes.
After 2 weeks, you will hear English differently.
Because your brain has started to learn the music of the language.
That was English in. Now it is time to use what you absorbed.
English out, speaking, producing.
The longer you wait to speak, the harder it gets.
So we start small, very small. Technique 4. Most learners try to start with long, complicated sentences.
And their brain just shuts down completely.
Instead, say what is true right now, in the simplest way possible.
Short, simple, true. That is all you need.
I am tired. It is cold. I need coffee. This is hard.
Every morning before you look at your phone, say 5 sentences, out loud.
About right now, about how you feel, about what you see.
One listener made this her morning routine. Just 5 tiny sentences every single day.
After 30 days, she said something interesting. She said English stopped feeling foreign.
It started feeling like a second voice inside her head.
That is exactly the goal.
Not impressive sentences, a second voice.
Start tiny. Build every single day.
Technique 5. This one builds the most important thing in fluency.
Your English inner voice.
Right now, there is a voice inside your head processing these words.
For most learners, that voice speaks their first language.
The goal is to slowly move it to English.
Here is how. Talk to yourself out loud in English.
In the shower, walking to the kitchen, sitting in the car.
Just describe what is happening around you. Simple sentences.
The sun is out. I am making coffee. I am a little tired.
I do not know what to eat. That dog looks very serious.
Someone I know started doing this every morning on his walk to work. Quietly. Just simple sentences about what he saw.
6 months later, he had zero hesitation when speaking English. Zero.
Because his brain had been practicing for thousands of small moments.
Every day. Long before he ever had a real conversation.
Once your inner voice moves to English, the translation just disappears.
You do not notice it leaving. It is just gone one day.
And that is a very good day.
Last technique, my favorite. It is called shadowing.
Copying someone's voice right after you hear it.
Find a clip. 10 seconds is perfect. Listen once.
Then immediately repeat it out loud, like an echo.
Same speed, same tone, same feeling.
You are not just copying words. You are copying the music.
The rhythm, the rise and fall, the way certain words land harder.
English has music, and your mouth needs to learn that music.
Not just your brain.
It feels strange for about 3 days. That is completely normal.
Keep going. After about a week, something clicks.
Your speaking gets smoother, more natural.
Because your mouth has already practiced the moves.
Like learning a dance before you go to the party.
1 minute a day, that is genuinely all it takes to start.
And once a week, record yourself on your phone.
Just 1 minute, talk about your day, watch it back.
You will surprise yourself, especially after 30 days.
6 techniques. Pick one, just one.
And start today.
We will see you next week.
Keep going.